Our clients wanted to view this house for sale in California that just came on the market. Come join me in this beautiful home tour. It's a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath house on almost 2.5-acre lot located in Riverside, California. This house in California for sale measures almost 2,800 square feet, was built in 2000, and features an open floor plan. The office is absolutely stunning and surrounded with bookshelves, a ceiling fan, and a great view of the front yard. The spacious living room has an elegant double-sided stone fireplace and high ceilings. The dining room, which has an access door to the front covered porch, features plantation shutters and a nice lighting fixture. The family room features a built-in media center, travertine flooring, a ceiling fan, plantation shutters, and the other side of the beautiful stone fireplace. The backyard is absolutely breathtaking and perfect for entertaining guests for pool parties and barbecues. It almost feels like your own private oasis. The sparkling pool looks refreshing, and the rock slide looks super fun. Oh, I can picture myself sitting there. The large Gourmet chef's kitchen has sleek granite countertops, white cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. It also features white subway tile backsplash, under cabinet lighting, a pantry, and a center island. The centrally located laundry room has plenty of cabinets, a utility sink, washer-dryer hookups, and a folding area. The powder room features floral wallpaper, a pedestal sink, and a toilet. The guest bathroom has dual sinks, a full-size bathtub with shower, and a private water closet. It also has a nice hall linen closet as well. The first bedroom features crown molding, a closet, a ceiling fan with light, plantation shutters, and a gorgeous view to the backyard. The second bedroom features plantation shutters, a view to the backyard, and a ceiling fan. The stunning master bedroom suite has a sliding glass door perfect for taking a relaxing dip in the spa. It also includes a double door entry, plantation shutters, crown molding, and an attached ensuite bathroom. The master bathroom has dual sinks, recessed lighting, a soaking tub, and a shower. A roomy walk-in master closet is complete with a closet organizer. There is also a private water closet. This gorgeous home is truly an entertainer's delight. The home also features two-tone custom paint and new carpet. The house has a low tax base and no HOA fees. This Riverside home features a 4-car garage and an expansive driveway, perfect for any car enthusiast. If you're interested in buying a home in Riverside, California or surrounding areas, please contact me. I would be honored to help you find the home of your dreams. Suzy Valentin, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.